In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ask for a refund on Amazon. Whether it was a purchase that didn't quite meet your expectations or something that arrived in less than perfect condition, requesting a refund on Amazon can be a straightforward process when you follow the right steps. So, let's walk through this process together. First, you'll want to visit the Amazon website and log into your account. Make sure you're on the same account used to make the purchase. It might seem like a no-brainer, but it's an easy detail to overlook, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Next, head over to the Returns Orders section, which you can find at the top right corner of the homepage once you're logged in. Clicking here will take you to a list of all your recent orders. Scroll through and locate the item for which you want a refund. If you have a long list, you might find it helpful to use the search bar by entering the product name or order ID to quickly locate your item. Once you've found the right order, click on the Return or Replace Items button next to it. This is where you'll begin the official return process. Amazon will now prompt you to select a reason for your return from a drop-down menu. Choose the reason that best describes your situation. It's important to be as accurate and honest as possible here, as it helps Amazon understand and process your request more efficiently. After selecting your return reason, you'll often have to provide a brief explanation of your issue. This might involve typing a few sentences describing why you need the refund in more detail. This information is not only helpful for Amazon's customer service but can also be important if your case requires further review. Now, it's time to decide how you'd like to send the item back. Amazon typically offers several options. You can return it via a prepaid mailing label, which you can print from home, or sometimes drop it off at an Amazon Locker, Kohl's, or other partnered location, depending on what's available in your area. Choose the option that's most convenient for you and follow the instructions provided for packaging and sending the item back. Once your return is processed, you'll receive confirmation of your refund. However, it's important to note that the processing time can vary. Generally, it takes a few days for the refund to reflect in your account, depending on your payment method. And that's it. You've successfully requested a refund on Amazon. Remember, keeping an eye on your email for any updates from Amazon regarding your return can help make sure everything goes smoothly. Hopefully, this guide has made the process clear and simple for you. If you ever find yourself needing to make a return in the future, you'll know exactly what to do. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.